Welcome again. I'm Ethan of ASUS. This is the ePad Nano 171. So this is the first 7-inch tablet of ASUS with a stylus. So the stylus is more of an accurate press where basically it's more touch sensitive when you press it harder or lighter. It really depends on the touch sensitivity.
Okay.
Then next is it's a full functional phone. You can even call it. For example, but we have the Mi Mic. This is called the Mi Mic, where you can have your calls, even messages, Bluetooth, audio from this device. So you don't even have to pull out your tablet anymore each and every time. So for now, for example, I'm going to call someone. So it instantly integrates here in the phone. So first time is calling someone.
Sorry for
So it has full functionalities. Even when you receive a ringtone or a message, it's going to pop up here. So the Mi Mic is really convenient for people who doesn't want to pull out their tablet in public for safety purposes, or just to simply check out what's up with their tablet right now.
That's ice cream, right?
This is currently 3.2 Honeycomb.
But
We're going to release it in X-Wing language. So it depends on the SKU. If it arrives by March, it's 3.2. But it will be advertised by April. So there's a bit of technicality, but basically it's still the same as the transformer. It features an Honeycomb 3.2. The advantage of Honeycomb 3.2 is that you can play your applications for cell phones, which is low resolution in a high resolution tablet. So that's one advantage from ASUS by using Honeycomb 3.2. At the same time, the functionality of the phone is not only for being a tablet. You also have the SuperNote by ASUS. You can have here applications such as a Facebook, for example, where you can type notes, for example, or if you have, for example, a new workbook. So let's create a new workbook. So for example, you have a new notebook, for example. You can either type, make scribble, or even insert a photo. So for example, taking photos of your math test or math exam, there's not much of a problem. So if I'm going to use this photo, put it in the note, so enlarge it, or even, so then I'm going to put some notes to it. It's really perfect for people who doesn't want to have a lot of paper in their bag. Taking notes is really easier, even easier than a notebook. So that's one advantage of the ePad Nano. At the same time, it boasts a 5-megapixel camera at the back, and the battery life is up to 9 hours. So it's really for functionality of people having handwriting, especially the advantage of having a stylus is for the hand signatures, taking signatures of digital signatures for people. The application is really meant for web-based cloud systems.
and they're pressure points, right?
Yes. So you can actually take the signature accurately. So that's advantages of the ePad Nano.